Hate this bike. Oh, welcome back guys. Today I want to tell you guys why I wouldn't buy a Rebel 500. I'm gonna clean up the chain, clean up the bike, and explain it to you guys. Alright? Here are the reasons why I wouldn't buy a Rebel 500. First reason, why would you even buy a low cc cruiser? Why even buy a cheap cruiser? Why buy an easy to maintain bike? It's too easy, especially for a beginner like me. I have done 32,000 Ks. Now you might be asking, you get bored of this? Answer is no and yes. But it gets me from point A to point B relatively quickly. Now if you're asking if this is quick, nope, not at all. Is it fun to ride? Definitely. Now, is this faster than the average car? Yeah. Is it easy to split? Yep. How long have I owned this? 3 years. Major issues? Nothing. Now I just got the front tire replaced after 3 years and the back tires replaced after 2.5 years. I'm gonna say maintaining this bike is cheap. Every 8,000 Ks I change oil. I travel about almost 60 Ks a day to work and back home. This bike heavy? Yeah, heavy to be honest. I'll be about almost 200 kgs wet. It's cheap on gas. Only 22 New Zealand dollars to fill up, and I use 95. Now that's clean. Time to put lube chain on. Would I recommend this to a beginner? Yes, definitely. This was my first choice, comparing it to the Street 500 Harley. And that's done. That's about 10 minutes. Easy to maintain. Oil filter is very accessible, and the drain plug as well. What else can I add from this video? Such a short video, but hopefully it's very helpful. Okay, you can go down. Okay. Let's move it a little bit. Gonna wash it. Now this is a barely review of the Rebel 500. I've done a few things for the bike. The first mod I've done is take off the muffler so it sounds more aggressive. Second thing is flip the mirrors, as you guys can see. Third thing is get rectangular mirrors. Took off the passenger seat, the head cowl, that's all. Now maintenance. One front tire, one back tire changed, 250 each. From memory, excluding labor, chain was replaced around 19,000. It was about 450. Oil change, $80 to $100, maybe less, every 8,000 Ks. Now I didn't do the break-in check. Break-in service. Honda Penrose did it, and that's all I've done. Now I've been checking Reddit. What needs to be checked? Around 30,000 Ks. It said valve clearance, which is probably I won't do it until 40,000 Ks. The clutch is wearing off. It's gone soft. Might start slipping soon. Yeah, that's all I've done. Maybe change the fluid for the radiator next time. Brake pads, I haven't changed those. No need anyway. That's all I got for you guys anyway. Obviously the caption is a clickbait, and those are the reasons why I wouldn't get a Rebel 500. But overall, it's a good bike, to be honest. I don't see myself upgrading anytime soon to a bigger cruiser, but sports bike, yes. Now I'm waiting for Reggie, and we're gonna go for a cruise with the boys. Another twisty fun with a cruiser. So see you guys next time.